In my backyard, it's so huge. She's gotta go back away. You also have a bird. It's creepy! Hi bird. Good boy. What's up? Had to walk down by it. Just a little bit. See, that's a huge bird. I'm getting scared. Goosebumps, actually. That is big, it's alive! It's alive! It's just blank. It's huge. It scared the crap out of me. Just saying. If I get a little closer, it's just a joy thing. It scared the crap out of me. When I was just walking from there, I walked over here and I got by and I was like, oh my crap! I started running to my house. So yeah, it scared the crap out of me. Tell me for my scary cat for getting scared by that big, huge, really huge bird. Tell me below if you would get goosebumps or get scared by this huge bird. I think it's playing, like, become famous.